Welcome back to TF Designs. Designing a bathroom can be both fun and challenging. Here are some tips to help you create a functional and aesthetically pleasing bathroom. Plan the layout, assess the space, measure the bathroom dimensions and note the location of plumbing and electrical outlets. Optimize the layout. Ensure that the layout allows for comfortable movement. Keep essential items like the toilet, sink and shower within easy reach. Choose the right fixtures. Toilet, consider a wall-mounted or compact toilet to save space. Sink, a pedestal sink can create more floor space while a vanity provides storage. Shower, bath, decide between a walk-in shower or a bathtub based on your needs and space. Storage solutions, cabinets and shelves. Utilize vertical space with wall-mounted cabinets and floating shelves. Niches. Built-in niches in the shower area provide storage without taking up extra space. Over the toilet storage, add shelves or cabinets above the toilet for extra storage. Lighting, natural light. Maximize natural light with windows or skylights. Task lighting. Ensure good lighting around the vanity area with sconces or LED mirrors. Ambient lighting. Use ceiling lights or recessed lighting for overall illumination. Ventilation. Exhaust. Fan. Install a powerful exhaust fan to prevent mold and mildew. Windows, if possible, include operable windows for natural ventilation. Materials and finishes. Durable flooring. Choose moisture-resistant flooring like ceramic tiles, vinyl or natural stone. Waterproof walls. Use tiles or waterproof paint on walls to prevent water damage. Countertops. Consider durable materials like quartz, granite, or solid surface countertops. Color scheme and decor, light colors. Use light colors to make the space feel larger and brighter. Accents. Add pops of color or texture with accessories like towels, rugs, and artwork. Greenery. Incorporate plants for a fresh, natural feel. Accessibility, grab bars, install. Grab bars near the toilet and in the shower for safety. Non-slip, flooring. Choose non-slip tiles to prevent accidents. Walk-in shower. A walk-in shower with a low or no threshold is accessible and stylish. Water efficiency, low-flow fixtures. Use low-flow toilets, faucets, and shower heads to conserve water. Smart fixtures. Consider smart showers or faucets for better control and water savings. Personal touches. Customize. Add personal touches that reflect your style, such as unique hardware, custom cabinetry, or a statement mirror. By considering these elements, you can create a bathroom that is not only beautiful but also functional and efficient.